What's up, guys? We got another kit here. Got a level brown box coming on in the mail. So let's check this bad boy out. Boom! All new Traxxas TRX4. And we got the all new F150 Ranger XLT High Trail Edition. It's TRX4. It comes with the installed lift kit on it, so you'll get a higher clearance. I don't even know what color I got here, but let's check this bad boy out first. Let's see what all the box art's all about. It's always cool checking out the box art. So it doesn't come with a battery or anything. You gotta add your own battery. So there's the brown, and it comes with blue. It's just on the other side. And there we go. Got selectable everything. So I believe it's got, hold on a second. So we have a high and low range transmission, and I believe it's got lockers in it too. I gotta double check. Yeah, Metal Gear Turbo in it now. Oh yeah, there's a remote locking differentials. It has the cool clipless body mount set here. I'm just gonna put some glare there. So everything clips in nice and easy. We have lots of clearance here with the new links. Extreme capability with the 73.5 degree in the front there. And lots of cool scale details. There's always lots of good scale details in these bad boys. So yeah, let's slice this bad boy up and check it out. I don't know if this is the right way, but we'll see what's on this side. And we did good. Here we go. So, it's like normal. Got a manual in there. Probably a couple little tools, some stickers. Usually some little extra goodies in there. Set that over there. Nice little plastic here for protection. Got cool chrome bumpers on it. Definitely always good with the details. Oh, it's 2 pieces of plastic. That's why I had trouble. Got some cool little mirrors on it. Maybe I should do the body off, might be a little easier. So under each fender is the clip system. So you can see that here. So you reach under the fender wells, push those 2 little tabs in, and it pops up nice and easy. So definitely great details in the body here. It's got the XL5 in there. You can do 3S. It's a Titan 21 turn. We got some plastic on the bumpers here, so take that off first before I toss this back on there. So like on the other TRX4s, it's already got the mounts in it for the rock lights. They sell a cool little 8-light rock light kit for this. I'm guessing the one from the K5 Chevy and all that stuff like that should fit on here also. Nice, just push it down, clips in. Can't reach that far, but clips in. Boom. Looks good. So it does has lots of clearance there. Cool looking tires. So it looks like it's got light buckets and everything in there. I'll take the body back off and check that out again first. See there, all the Ford decals. Got a cool little roll bar. Nice chrome school rides always had awesome chrome and details in them. With a front grille, let me see, got a little angle there, sinks to the grill a little better. Some cool details in there. Pop this back off real quick. Yeah, so you can see all the nice structure on the inside here. Lots of bracing for all the different items. Here's the mount system. Looks like it does have light buckets already in there. The little light kit in there. The windows are actual stickers, so they aren't clear. You can kind of see in there. All painted solid. You got the servos for the locking differentials, servo for shifting, the XL5, Titan 21 turn, and metal gear servo. Battery goes in the center, help keep the weight centered out there. You can add brass to these, they do make brass and all that stuff for these. Lots of clearance there. You see that? It's the typical portals they have on all the rest of their TRX4s, so they do make all the brass stuff for that already. But yeah, definitely a sweet little rig. I'll do some videos, some closer shots of everything, and we'll be taking it outside and testing it out pretty soon. So yeah, hope you like it. I believe this will be released in the next week or so. Gotta learn the trick of putting the body on. I know there's a certain way to line it up nicely. Oh, there we go. Almost forgot to show you the controller there. So it's their regular style controller, and they have for most of the cars. Focus there. So I've got a little extra switch here, extra switch here. Once we're driving it, I'll show you all the exact modes and what each of these do. But it's basically their standard style, just a couple of extra switches on it for certain features. Yeah. So yeah. Stay tuned for the driving.